Welcome to our channel, aviation enthusiasts. You guys know I love a good challenge, and today we're diving into the world of landing challenges. You know, those heart-pounding moments when a pilot needs to nail a landing in less than ideal conditions. We're talking short runways, crazy crosswinds, the works. Let's explore some of the best aircraft for these thrilling maneuvers. We'll break down what makes them tick and why they stand out when the rubber meets the runway. All right, let's kick things off with a classic. The Cessna 172. This aircraft is like the reliable pickup truck of the sky. It's known for its forgiving handling characteristics, which is a lifesaver when you're battling gusty winds on final approach. I mean, this thing is practically glued to the runway. Its high-wing design not only provides great visibility during those critical moments before touchdown, but also helps with stability in challenging conditions. Plus, the 172's relatively low landing speed makes it a bit more forgiving when it comes to nailing that perfect touchdown. It's no wonder this bird is a favorite among flight schools and pilots building their hours. Now let's jump into the big leagues with the Boeing 737. This airliner is a workhorse handling countless flights every single day. But don't let its size fool you. This thing can handle some challenging landings. We've all seen those videos of 737s touching down in crazy crosswinds, and that's a testament to the aircraft's robust design and powerful control surfaces. Those pilots make it look easy, but believe me, it takes serious skill to wrestle a 737 onto the ground in those conditions. Sophisticated avionics and autopilot systems lend a helping hand, but at the end of the day, it's the pilot's expertise that makes all the difference. Let's shift gears to another popular choice for landing challenges, the Piper PA-28. This aircraft is known for its light and nimble handling. It's like a sports car compared to the 172's pickup truck. The PA-28's responsive controls and forgiving stall characteristics make it a joy to fly, especially when you need to maneuver in tight spaces. Think about those short, narrow runways you sometimes encounter. The PA-28 can handle them with grace. It's all about that low-speed maneuverability, folks. And just like the 172, its high-wing design gives pilots a clear view of the runway during those critical moments. Time to talk about a technological marvel in the aviation world, the Airbus A320. Now, this aircraft is known for its fly-by-wire system, which basically means the pilot's inputs are interpreted by a computer that then controls the aircraft. While some traditionalists might raise an eyebrow, there's no denying that this system makes the A320 incredibly precise, especially during landings. It's like the aircraft is hardwired for accuracy, and when you're dealing with challenging conditions, that precision can be the difference between a smooth touchdown and a hairy situation. Plus, the A320's advanced autopilot and navigation systems help pilots maintain stability and control, even when the going gets tough. Last but not least, we've got the Cirrus SR-22, a personal favorite of mine. You guys know I love pushing the limits, but safety is always paramount, and that's where the SR-22 shines. This aircraft is equipped with a whole suite of safety features, including the revolutionary Cirrus airframe parachute system, CAPS. That's right, a parachute for the entire airplane. Now, you hopefully won't ever need to use it, but it's reassuring to know it's there in case of an emergency, especially during a challenging landing. Beyond CAPS, the SR-22 boasts advanced avionics and a spacious, comfortable cockpit, making it a favorite among pilots who value both performance and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Which aircraft do you think handles landing challenges the best? Is it the trusty Cessna 172, the Workhorse Boeing 737, or maybe the nimble Piper PA-28? Or perhaps you're leaning towards the technological prowess of the Airbus A320 or the safety-first design of the Cirrus SR-22. It's a tough choice for sure. Each aircraft brings its own strengths to the table. Don't forget to like,